out something he's never seen before.
Oh, we're lining up. Here we go. And swing played it up. He caught him. He saw that punch coming, and no one gets up for that punch. 1, 2, go!
Did you see how Project X stopped in midair?
Yes.
Stopped and rotated like he's a video game character.
You said it right, Tony. I was about to say it was like someone pushed pause in midair and boom. Oh my goodness.
I mean,
right now this crowd is getting behind Daniel Eads. I mean, he is the fan favorite. He is well loved here in West Newton, but my goodness.
But Project X is winning.
Yes, and Project X is ignoring the fans. We have saw that. We've not seen him really have any contact with the fans. His focus is on Daniel Eads, and he is showing. Oh no. Do you really want to slap this man? Do you really want to slap the face of a 3-time former